Hi Rick, Leith here from Wayne Phillips Ford. Mate, thanks for your inquiry on our Triton. I've tried to ring you, but you're probably a busy man. So I thought I'd make a little video of the Triton for you. So this is it here. All set up with the ladder racks. It's also had the slidable hardwood put onto it, as well as tray liner. More racks. It's actually had quite a few accessories fitted on this one. So the weather shield as well as a bonnet protector, the nudge bar, and I'll show you in a minute. It's actually got full service history. And a heavy duty tow bar. So I'll just open this up and show you inside. So that's the outside of the car. And the inside. It's actually a company vehicle, so I doubt many people have actually ever sit in the back of that. And the front. So 4x4, done 100,600 kilometres with the reverse camera, climate control, air conditioning, as you can hear, rear sensors, 4-wheel drive, and very good service history. So Rick, thanks for your inquiry. I'll upload this and I'll send you the link. Thanks, mate. Bye.